Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix solution for hanging laptop. Windows 7 laptop is very slow. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk space c:/lan /f /x /r. Type Y to continue. Exit and restart system. Press Windows and R key. Type prefetch. Delete all files and folders. Clear all files and folders from Recycle In. Press Windows and R key. Type clean mgr. Click OK. Check files. Check clean up system files. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.